Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Enphase IQ Charger logs for troubleshooting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Enphase IQ Charger is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, enter the default IP address for your Enphase IQ Charger. You may need to log in using the admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Administration section. Look for an option labeled Device Logs or Event Logs. Click on that option to access the log files. You will see a list of logs generated by the charger. Select the logs you wish to download for troubleshooting purposes. Look for a download button or an export option. Click on it and choose the desired file format, typically CSV or TXT. The logs will now be downloaded to your computer or device. Next, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. If necessary, rename the file for easier identification. You can now open the log file using any text editor or spreadsheet application. Review the logs to identify any issues or anomalies. If needed, you can also share these logs with technical support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.